So now let's look at our overview of Quicksort. We'll start out with a list like this, except I'll put it like this. And the way Quicksort works is we start with a pivot point. That's going to be that first item. Then we're going to compare each of the numbers after that to this to see if it's greater than or less than. So we start with the 6. The 6 is greater than, and I'll color that in gray. The 1 is less than. I'll color that in yellow. All the less thans will be yellow, and the greater thans will be gray. And then what we're going to do is swap that 1 with the first item that was greater than, like this. Then we move to the 7. We'll color that in gray. The 3 is less than, and we'll swap that with the first item that was greater than, which is the 6, like that. The 2 is less than, and we'll swap that with the 7 because the 7 is now the first item in the list that is greater than the 4, like this. And then the 5 is greater than. So we have all of the items that are less than the 4 together and all of the items that are greater than the 4 together. And then in the next step, we'll swap the 4 with the last of the less than items like this. So two things to point out here. First, the 4 is now sorted. I colored that in green. And everything less than the 4 is to the left of the 4. Everything greater than the 4 is to the right of the 4. And then what we're going to do is run Quicksort again on these items as well as on these items. We'll start on the left first. 2 will be our pivot in this case. 1 is less. The 3 is greater. Then we swap these two items, and now the 2 is sorted. Then we'll run Quicksort on these two. And because there's only one item in each of these, we know those are sorted. Then we'll run Quicksort on this side. The pivot is going to be 6. 7 is greater. 5 is going to be less. We're going to swap these. And then we'll swap these. The 6 is sorted. We'll run Quicksort on these. And because there's only one item in each of these, we know these are sorted. And now we have a completely sorted list. And that is our quick overview of Quicksort.